Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to disable the Move MyPay feature on your Chime account. As I can show you on the Chime account right now because in my region, Chime account is not working right now. So let's get right into it. I'll explain you just through this. So open your Chime app, launch the Chime mobile application on your device, tap on the settings icon to enter it. Within settings, select account setting. Now scroll to Credit Builder section and tap on Move My Pay. Now choose Don't Move Future Deposits and confirm by tapping Don't Move. This will stop all the automatic transfer of a portion of your direct deposit to your secured Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card account. If you encounter any issues or cannot locate the Move My Pay option, it's advisable to contact Chime's member services for assistance. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.